Barrientos gets it over to Winyo. Sumaksak sa loob, inikutan si Cotidiana. Sa ilalim, Johnny Barrientos with back-to-back hits.
Yes, the flying A to be able to get the pass. Kanya napakaganda ng execution. Good defense. Yes.
And Rosella six it.
For Purefoods already with 10 points. Hawkins all the way strong to the hole.
Si Bong Hawkins na nagtatrabaho. Paulson Rosella trying to get away from Lastimosa. At tipped underneath. Johnny Barrientos, fancy dribble. A fake. Then the hit!
Unbelievable move by the flying A.
Okay mga kaibigan, biglang nagbago ihip ng hangin dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Kanina po, umabante ng 16 puntos ang Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs. In the third quarter, biglang naghabol itong Alaska Milk. And finally, at the end of the fourth period, the Alaska Milk squad was able to tie up the count. At papasok po tayo sa 5-minute extension period in this no-bearing game. Yan. No berry para sa kanila, sa inyo. Pero iba para sa Purefoods at Alaska. Pukpukan ito. Magandang gabi po muli. Ito po si Ed Tucson kasama si Quinito Henson para sa Vintage Sports and the start of the 5-minute extension period. Jeffrey Carriazo. Narito ngayon si Lastimosa sa low post against Glenn Capasio. Tungayan po natin ang mga players para sa magkabilang komponent. It's a Barrientos, Lastimosa, Hawkins, Winyo, and Carriazo para sa Alaska. Para naman sa Purefoods, Rosella, Capasio, Cordillera, Patrimonio, at Gervin. Lastimosa kicks it out to Carriazo. Yes! Alaska takes a 2-point lead. 87-85. Alvin Patrimonio. Rosella. Wow, libre ko na ito. So nakikita ko natin mga kaibigan, talagang pukpukan ng labanan itong dalawang kukunang ito. At alalahanin po ninyo, ang Alaska, wala nang import dahil nag-foul out na kanina sa fourth quarter si Sean Chambers.
Nagkahiyaan na ito. I think both teams are really out to win here in the overtime period, and Barrientos really has not been able to establish his presence, now making his presence felt here in the overtime period.
2-point lead once again for Alaska at 89-87. At nabanggit mo nga kanina sa umpisa ng coverage, Kinito, pride ang nangingibabaw dito. Lalo tumatagal itong larong ito, lalo pataas ang pride ng dalawang kupulang ito.
Sino ka nga? Well, the defense of Alaska certainly stepped up. You notice the pressure they had or they showed in playing defense on Derek Gervin.
Bong Hawkins has it. Johnny Barrientos. Sumaksak sa loob, inikutan si Cotidiana. Sa ilalim, Johnny Barrientos with back-to-back hits.
Yes, the flying A.
At labang na Alaska ng 4.
Etong Alaska is used actually to playing with an all-Filipino 5, as we mentioned earlier. He played importless in beating Santa Lucia here in the semifinals.
Capasio from 3-point land. Wala. Gervin is fouled underneath. Alam po ninyo, itong 4 na puntos sa kalamangan ng Alaska, this is the biggest lead that they've had in this game. It was an all-Purefoods show until the third quarter. Well, actually, umpisa ng third quarter nga, umabante pa ng 16 ang Purefoods, pero humabol doon ang Alaska without Gervin on the hard court for Purefoods.
Gervin, 22 rebounds in this game. It's very important that Alaska's big men box him out because he's getting a lot of points from close to the basket, especially those offensive rebounds. He gets a chance to go to the stripe.
Samantala si Dindo Pumaran pumasok para kay Olson Rosella sa panig ng Purefoods. 91-88. Alaska by 3. And in possession, Johnny Barrientos against Dindo Pumaran. Coach Winyo. Narito si Carriazo. Lastimosa matras lamang kay Bong Ravena. Referee de Dios calls the foul.
Too tight, actually. Giorgio Lastimosa did not have a good shot in that baseline play. Look at it here again. Well covered, but he actually might have initiated the contact when he bumped off Bong Ravena, but a smart move on the part of Lastimosa. He had to get the contact because he had no shot from the baseline.
Yep. Getting the bounce, Giorgio Lastimosa gives Alaska a 4-point lead. Well, that shot says it all for Chot
May
Reyes.
spelling ang mukha ni Coach Reyes. Lastimosa 2 for 2. As we said earlier, Lastimosa is Derek Gervin's favorite PBA player.
Paano ba nanonood ito siya? Nanonood yan kanyang favorite player. Hindi pa pwede. They're down by 5. Alvin Patrimonio against Carriazo. Lead and jumper by the captain.
Patrimonio only 6 points in this game. You can expect the clutch performers to display their skills here in overtime when it's winning time. Ika nga.
Tatlong amante ng Alaska, 93-90. Johnny Barrientos double team. Carriazo sees Hawkins open. Yes. Ready Hawkins. Last 2 minutes, hatid sa inyo ng Tanduay Rum. 5 years junior labad. Tanduay, the #1 rum. Pasa kay Patrimonio, broken up, and a foul is going to be called.
Ay, kamontik na. Wala. Yung play kanina ng Alaska, perfect execution. They always have people spotted up in the perimeter, always keeping the ball moving so that the defense is also moving at the same time.
At magkakaroon ng isang bakante ron. Kanina si Hawkins ang bakante.
Oo. Tsaka kung wala silang tira sa labas, meron sigurong kakat to be able to get the pass. Kaya napakaganda ng execution. Good defense. Yes.
And Rosella sits it from the outside. Cuts the lead down to 3. A minute and 36 to go. Overtime.
Marcelo has been the spark here for Purefoods, already with 10 points. Hawkins all the way strong to the hole.
Si Bong Hawkins na nagtatrabaho lang para sa Alaska. Pero hindi po nagbabago. Di ba? Mula nung mag-upisa, ganyan lang siya.
Tama yun, on both
Nodding
ends.
along, pero
Oo.
he's getting things done.
Tsaka yung depensa niya kay Derek Gervin, no? That has been tremendous. 5 out of 5 in overtime itong Alaska. Wala pa silang mintes. Here in the extension period, already with 15 points and 9 rebounds. Failed to get the bonus.
5-point lead para sa Alaska. 1 minute, 21 seconds to go in overtime. Hindi po kayo nagkamali ng dinig kung kalilipat niyo lamang sa amin. Overtime period po ito between Purefoods and Alaska. At hindi po replay ito, live ito.
At kanina itong Purefoods opened a 14-point lead at the half. Nakalik over Alaska in the third period, and now we are into overtime.
Alvin Patrimonio with a fix. Over an even tighter fix. Barrientos gets it over to Widnio.
Ang depensa ng Alaska, napakatindi na.
7-point lead para sa Alaska. This despite the absence of an import. Bong Ravena misses from 3-point country. Dito na, nilalabas na ng Alaska yung kanilang mga muscle. Muscle ng...
At pinapakita din nila why they deserve to be in the finals of this second conference. At tinan mo ang karakter ng Alaska, ha? Hindi nagpapatalo.
Carriazo.
And good recognition again on the defense. Carriazo having the height advantage. Easy 2 points from the flank.
Colson Rosella trying to get away from Lastimosa. At clipped underneath. Johnny Barrientos, fancy dribble. A fake. Then the hit!
Unbelievable move by the Flying A.
At a big reversal here, mga kaibigan. Kanina, mukhang pending na lamang ang Alaska. At ang Purefoods, handang-handa ng kunin ng laro. Pero bigla na lamang nabuhayan. And we went into overtime. And Alaska wins it over the Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs in overtime, 103-95. We'll be back for our Gilby's Choice Player of the Ballgame. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Marami po nagulat. Alam namin na medyo baka merong biglang kumain muna, lumabas ng kwarto, at akala nila panalo na ang Pure Foods, bigla na baliktad. In overtime, Alaska Milk winning it over the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs, 103-95, and a big reversal that was.
Oh yes, Alaska tightened the screws, particularly in defense in the fourth period. Tsaka din sa overtime, no, Bong Hawkins really getting the job done in defense, limiting Derek Gervin to only 1 point sa ating extension. And talking about Bong Hawkins,
He's our Gilby's Choice Player of the game, and his numbers is at 15 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, at sabi mo nga, napakaigting na depensa against Derek Gervin. Before we go, ladies and gentlemen, syempre ba, ihatid naman namin sa inyo ang ating Grand Air Sky High Shot of the Day. Panoorin po natin. Ito, makikita niyo po si Sean Chambers. Bagamat hinahabol, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. At tuloy-tuloy po na ginawa yung 2 puntos na yon. Sean Chambers fouled out of the ball game in the fourth quarter. Pero binaliwala ng Alaska. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanilang magandang laro doon sa extension. And they
yung
won the
kanilang
game.
cohesiveness, of course.
Okay.
One big reason kung bakit maglalaro sila sa finals dito sa second conference.
Of course, mga kaibigan, hindi pa po tapos ang ating paghahandog sa inyo mula rito sa Araneta Coliseum. Sabi nga natin, tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito po sa PBA at sa VTV on IBC. Ginebra San Miguel will be going up against Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Bagamat ito po wala nang kinalaman doon sa kanilang magiging laro sa Sunday, no, ha? Yung kanilang playoff. Ika nga, pagkumbaga sa sine, pakita ito. Kaya panoorin po ninyo. Samahan po ninyo si Attorney Noli Ayala at si Coach Yeng Giao for that game coming up in just a short while. Meantime, on behalf of my partner Kinito Henson, ako po si Ed Pixon mula rito sa Araneta Coliseum. Damo ka salamat sa iyong atanan mga kasangkayan. We'll see you around.